What is the algae you find on the beach? Imagine walking along the shoreline and spotting strange green, brown, or reddish patches washed up on the sand. What are these slimy or leafy things? They are algae, a vital part of ocean life and coastal habitats. Algae are marine plants and seaweeds that grow in salty water. They thrive in areas where the ocean meets the land, especially in the intertidal zone, the space between high tide and low tide. These algae come in many shapes and sizes, and each type plays a role in supporting the ecosystem. Green algae, also called chlorophyta, are often bright green and look a lot like lettuce leaves. You might see them attached to rocks, shells, or drifted onto the beach. One common green algae is sea lettuce, which is thin, leafy, and easy to spot. It is a favorite food for many small marine animals. Brown algae, known as phaeophyceae, are usually larger and darker. They from underwater forests that provide shelter for fish, invertebrates, and even sea otters. Kelp is a well-known brown algae that can grow very tall, sometimes reaching lengths of over 100 feet. These kelp forests are like underwater jungles, full of life. Rockweed is another brown algae that clings to rocky shores and can survive being exposed to air during low tides. Red algae, or rhodophyta, are often found in deeper waters but also wash up on beaches. They have a reddish or purple hue because of pigments called phycoerythrin. Red algae can look like thin filaments or crusty patches on rocks. Some common types include Turkish washcloth and sea brush. These algae help build reefs and provide hiding spots for tiny creatures and microorganisms. Most of these algae attach tightly to rocks or other hard surfaces in shallow waters. They can handle the wave action and changing tides, creating small habitats for many marine animals. When algae grow in large mats or dense patches, they offer food and shelter for invertebrates, small fish, and other sea creatures. Algae are important because many herbivorous marine animals eat them. They also act as homes, protecting small animals from predators and harsh weather. Large brown algae like kelp from forests that support entire communities of marine life. Sometimes, algae blooms happen, which can produce toxins harmful to animals and humans. But the algae you find washed up on beaches are usually natural parts of coastal ecosystems. So, the algae on beaches are mainly green, brown, and red seaweeds. They grow in coastal habitats and are essential for keeping ocean environments healthy. They provide food and shelter for many sea animals and help maintain the balance of life in the ocean.